Hello, we will be making fettuccine alfredo, and the ingredients are salt, pepper, parsley, butter, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, the fettuccine pasta, and chicken. I already have the chicken cooked. All I have to do is heat it up. So let's get started. Now we're heating up the chicken. You can add your own seasoning. And now we're boiling the spaghettis. You can boil them 12 to 15 minutes. The chicken is almost done. As you can see, it gets cooked fast since it's already cooked. And the pasta is boiling. It should be done in a few minutes. Now we start off with heating some butter and garlic for the sauce. Then we add the heavy cream. And then we will add the rest of the ingredients for the Alfredo sauce. This Alfredo sauce is made from scratch. I just added the Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Now we have to let it cook for a few minutes. So the Alfredo sauce is complete. I will now add the fettuccine pasta. I just added the fettuccine. Now we will mix it together. And this is the final product, chicken fettuccine alfredo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.